Hello guys. Today I am going to replace the Dell Vostro 3400 battery. First we need to remove the back cover. So remove the back cover screws. Follow the steps. Open the cover. Now you can remove the battery. Remove the battery screws. Removing battery cable. Here the battery type and model. Now we are going to install a new battery. Connect the battery cable. Installing the battery screws. After installing the battery, we can close the back cover. Installing back cover screws. Follow the steps. Now we can check the battery status, charging or not. Thanks for the watching. Subscribe please.